All right, guys, here we got right now. Let's start that again. All right. How we doing, everybody? This is Larry again here for the LIOI channel, and I haven't done a food video for you in a while, so I figured let's go for it. I'm going to do a quick meal prep video for you, showing you how simple it is to really actually get things going. We're going to do sausage and peppers, pretty much. That's really it. It's simple. Nothing crazy. I'm going to make 4 meals out of this, which is going to last me 4 days, because I already have chicken and tuna fish for the rest. But I just wanted to show you how simple, things can get. So, very easily, obviously we need the stove. But a bag of mixed peppers that you could get at the grocery store for maybe, what, $1.50 tops, has about 16 ounces of frozen vegetables. If you break that up into 4 meals, that's 4 ounces per meal of frozen vegetables. That's pretty good. It's better than what you were getting before, right? Here I have a half an onion that I just roughly cut up that I'm going to throw in with everything, and we're just going to cook all the vegetables down. I actually already pre-made the sausages because I had boiled them earlier because I needed to defrost them, so I just cooked them all through. The day that I use them, obviously you defrost them the night before. I pull them out the day before. I chop it up into whichever size that I want, and then I throw it in a pan quickly just to get a little sear on it, and then when I get to where I'm going, I microwave it. If I'm not going to be able to get to a microwave, you know what I always do, like I said in my last couple of videos, is I will heat that sucker up, to almost boiling, and then throw it in the thermos, and then we're good to go. But I like to, chop up the sausage as much as I can, so I increase surface area. Now with this, I could either add rice, which I have made in the fridge already, or I could add pasta to it. I like doing this, the smaller pastas, like this is a small egg bow tie type deal, because a half a cup of this is plenty for somebody like me, and I'm 225 pounds. So a half a cup is good for a meal. Also has 8 grams of protein. So that's vital for when you're looking at different food sources. I could also have a baked potato with it, or I could have a sweet potato, or I could just make regular white rice. I'm not really feeling the white rice this week because I had a lot of it last week, so I'm going to try something new. But today, I'm just going to quickly show you, we're just going to do sausages and peppers, pretty much. That's it. I'm going to make the peppers first, and I'm going to show you how we separate everything with the pasta and everything later on. I'm not going to bore you with watching water boiling and adding a half a cup of pasta for each meal, because I got to do that 4 times. Yeah, this takes a long process, because if you think about it, if a water boils and a pasta boils, let's say 6 minutes, that takes care of everything. I gotta do that 4 times. You're looking at this stuff for 24 minutes just to boil pasta? Come on, man. So, I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna show you how everything is, quickly how everything gets done, and then that's it. All right, you'll see the end product, which you could either add, when we're done, tomato sauce to anything, garlic and oil to anything, balsamic. You could add whatever dressing you want to it to make it liquidy, to make it smooth, and to make it a little bit more softer and palatable to eat. It all depends on what you like. I pretty much eat anything, so I'm good with all of them. Yeah, right? So just sit back, quickly relax, and then I'm just going to do this up, and then I'll see you again. All right, thanks. Okay guys, one tip, if you're going to use a bag of frozen vegetables like I did, what you need to understand is, they come out frozen. They're hard and, solid, but they also have a ton of moisture in them and around them. So when you cook anything, you have to account for that extra moisture and that extra warming time. So keep that in mind. Alrighty? Thanks, guys. Guys, I'm back here again, and this is what we're looking at here. I got the vegetables cooking, got some onions and peppers going. That's going to be done really, really quickly, but what I wanted to get started was some boiling water to get the pasta going. All right, because that's, again, going to take 3 to 6 minutes per time I do it, and I'm doing it 4 times, so I'm not going to make you wait for 24 minutes. So here I have out measured a half a cup of a little mini bow tie pasta, but it's not really bow ties, they're just really pasta just crunched together, so whatever. Looks like a bow tie. But half a cup, right? Just gonna pour that into the boiling water and then just kind of wait. The vegetables are gonna be good, so I'm gonna lower the temperature on that and just wait. As soon as the pasta is done, I am going to basically pour that out, siphon that out, and we'll be good. However, what I want everyone to look at is my food scale. Alrighty? What I'm going to do with this is something very, very simple. I'm going to zero out a food scale with any plate, bowl, whatever. I can zero it out and we'll be fine. But when I add the food to it, it'll give me a correct measurement for food. So I want 4 ounces of vegetables in with a half a cup of pasta, and then I'm going to add 1 sausage link to it, which is roughly about a little over 2 ounces of actual sausage. Now that's 14 grams of protein. That's 8. Okay? So now we're looking at, quick math, 22 grams of protein in one meal. Add some vegetables to it. You have that 2 or 3 times a day, and you're doing pretty well. So that's what I'm going to get going. I'm going to make 4 of these, and that'll last me the 4 days because I'm going to mix it with some tuna fish and some other meals that I have. But very simple, quick, easy meal prep that you could have for the rest of the week. Alrighty? Frozen food, pasta, and some simple sausage you boil and then pan fry very quickly. Add some sauce, some olive oil or garlic to it. You could have yourself different meals every time. It's really that simple. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to make this up and love you all. Thanks.